CBS 46 Pinpoint Weather, certified Atlanta's most accurate forecast.
I know it's wet, I know it's dreary, I know temperatures are dropping, but let's look forward to the weekend where temperatures will warm to right around 60 degrees on Saturday, mostly sunny skies. How about your Sunday into the mid 60s with low temperatures in the 40s? So something to look forward to. When you look at the rain, you're dealing with the rain for a few rush hours here. Here's the way it looks on the CBS 46 Pinpoint radar. Heavy rain now moving over the Athens area, back into Clark County, Oconee County, back into the Atlanta area now, moving over the Smyrna area and moving toward places like Sandy Springs and Roswell in the next half hour or so. The rain continues back into Douglasville and back into Carroll County, Villa Rica area, and heads up for you folks in Paulding County and Dallas, Hiram area. More rain for you. But look what's back to the west, where we see these heavy bands of rain back into Alabama, moving into the Birmingham area, all the way to Huntsville, Muscle Shoals area. So more rain. We will get some breaks. It's not going to be an all-night rain event. There will be breaks, especially tomorrow, before it ramps up again for tomorrow later in the day. Here's the overall pattern. You can see we're kind of in the lighter precipitation because the heavy stuff is just now crossing the Mississippi River back into Louisiana and back into Arkansas and back into Texas. That's where we're seeing it. Colder air on the backside of this, a little bit of icing concerns for Arkansas and back into the southeastern part of Oklahoma. So let's take it hour by hour. We'll pinpoint any rain chances. By 8 o'clock, heavy rain in extreme North Georgia. As we get to midnight, heavy rain possible, mostly north of Atlanta. There's the break as we get into the latter part of the rush hour. Not too bad as we get into the evening hours, but look what happens as we get to tomorrow night and just after midnight. More rain moving in. Look at this. Heavy band of rain. This is rush hour. Friday morning, heavy rain all the way from Fannin County, all the way into back into Cherokee County, back in the Athens area, back into Carroll County. That pushes through by about 10 o'clock. We should get a break after that time, although it'll still be damp outside, setting up that nice looking weekend. But in the meantime, let's see what's happening out there with that flash flood watch. Will go in effect at 7 o'clock tomorrow and into Friday. Grounds are saturated, so any rain rate that might add up to 1 to 2 inches pretty quickly will cause some flooding across the area. There's already some flood warnings out there on some of the creeks and streams, so they can't hold any more. So any additional rain is going to cause some pretty big problems. 50 now in the city. We did top out at 59 degrees today. 57 in LaGrange, 52 in Carrollton and Rome, and you folks in Athens, a temperature of 51 degrees. Let's take you to Athens right now. So far, only 1/1600ths of an inch of rain, but plenty more where that came from. Here's your 7-day forecast with those rain chances increasing. We mentioned that, got it overnight, and also for later in the day on Thursday into Friday. Probably Friday, the wetter the days with the heavier rain moving in. Temperatures will stay in the 50s, setting up this great looking weekend again, 59 and 65. Actually, the sunshine will continue for the first few days, although we might get a slight chance of rain. Temperatures will warm back in the 60s by Monday, so hang in there.